Hi everyone, I'm Grave. This is a second video about my Spigot Minecraft plugin that I'm creating. If you want to see my first video, there's a link in the upper right corner. And if not, then we shall just continue. So I've created a open spot for the special features I'm going to show everyone. And no, I still haven't made a game yet. But I've done some other things in the meantime, some cool stuff that I want to show everyone. I replaced the paste sign that I showed in the first video. I didn't want to make a sign for every tool or game or whatever I'm creating for the game. So I've created one sign for the utilities. I've also added the recipes to the crafting table. And the one sign that I created is a special sign. You can place it everywhere, so multiple signs. I have updated the memory system that I have created and I talked about in the first video. So you can place multiple signs. I show you the actions in a moment. The memory system now remembers every special position of the sign you place. You could see it in the chat on the left, and it reads the first text line, and that determines the action that it shall use when you click on the sign. So let's continue. And also one thing I forgot to show all of you in the first video was this special 2x2 stick, and I can show it to you now. It creates a bigger block of 8 tiny blocks like this wherever you click, and it uses the material you click on, and so you can expand the world a lot faster with other blocks. And if you left click it, then it will create 8 blocks of air, so you can also clean a bit up really fast. So that was one thing I forgot in the first video. So on to the next. Another problem I want to show all of you with the copy function and paste function is still something I need to do, but it is if you look at the stairs like this, some special blocks like stairs or sand with physics have other data coupled to it, and if you copy it and you try to paste it like I show you this, then you lose some of that data. So the stairs are all looking at the same direction. So the copy function isn't perfect yet, but it's still in progress. So on to another. So the next thing I want to show you is a countdown timer I have created. If by example you fill in on the special sign a timer with 15 minutes, then it will count down from 15 minutes. But it's not only the sign that can be used for showing the countdown. We can also use a block like this. Here's a timer with 10 minutes and click. And like this, it counts down with the timer block that was attached to it. But we can also place another block on top of it, and when you now use the timer like this 25 seconds, it uses the second block on top underneath for a platform. Now it counts down 25 seconds. And I also made a sort of alarm when the countdown gets to 0 in 3, 2, 1. Well, it's a bit too long, maybe it should be shorter. But that is the countdown timer. And now I have another cool feature created, and back in a moment I'm going to set it up. Alright, here we are again, and now I'm going to show you the YouTube subscriber counter. I filled in at the middle line nothing, then it goes to a default YouTube site, and that's our own channel, and it updates every 20 seconds. So what this actually uses is an API key from Google. You can create one on the Google developer website, and the code uses the key to check with Google on the statistics, and it gives a update on this sign. So this is our channel with 10 subscribers, so that's not really much, and it checks every 20 seconds. But we can also do this with blogs. But in this case I'm going to use Markiplier Games website, and it checks every 5 seconds. And it also has a special feature. Let's watch. Oh, that's not good. Well, you get the picture. He has a lot of subscribers, and every time he gets more lightning strikes. I think he has 24 million subscribers. Well, yeah, that should be a 2. Yes. If you don't know Markiplier, then I urge you to visit his channel. That guy is really hilarious, very sincere, fun to watch, and I hope in the future we get well, the same amount of subscribers. Oh well. If you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up. Or subscribe to our channel if you want. And well, his subscribers is still rising. That's very impressive. And I mean, his channel is very impressive. Look at those subscribers. Well, maybe a video in the future again, and maybe then I really will have a game finished inside this. So until then, have a good time. Bye!